So this is a Hyundai engine ix35. So the top dead center, this piston here. So you come also here, find it's on top. And these ones should be down, so it's down. So this one should be down, it's down. But the most important part is this should face each other at the beginning. So let's look at the timing mark. This one is the intake cam. The intake cam, this faces this way, and it follows this arrow, and these ones faces down here, and this one must be on here because the sensor is gonna be like this so that the car will start, the cam sensor. So we'll look at the marks here later. This is the exhaust cam. The important part is this facing here. So if I put my screwdriver like that, you can see that it's almost if you can make it the same level, then you are perfect. They sometimes use a laser to make like then it's same level, then it's perfect. But it's an allowance for this one. It has to roll a little bit up. Someone who did the timing put it a little bit down because they are not at the same level. They must be at the same level. So the exhaust cam, they are like this. So we look at the marking here. Yes, there is a marking here. The dot is here. You can see the dot here. The dot is right straight on top. I put a mark. For this one, there is no marking, but we can see that this shape here. Okay, then these ones, they're almost at the same angle. So we look at the angle. Now, if you look at the marking here, I don't know if I can get markings. Normally, the things I have actually show it's enough. And here, I can get the markings here. And this one, HT, is on top. Is on top here. Then this car is timed. Then we are ready to strip the car. You can now remove the cylinder head and do anything. When we return the cylinder head, we must get everything same as this. And this car had water. This car bent the sensor here. The cam sensor is bent. So one sensor, second sensor, this one here, they are supposed to be replaced. Two sensors to be replaced. Right, thank you for watching.